Guys, I have sent you many videos related to the French Revolution. Now today I will show you the timeline related to the French Revolution as well as the map work which is very important related to this chapter of the French Revolution. Now just come to the timeline of the France. Now see, we have discussed the matter related to the France, some of the incident that took part in 1789. First of all, you can see in 1774, the Louis ascended the throne. Then after you can see the incident that is taking place 1789, the king called an assembly of the state general to pass the proposal of a new tax. You can see storming of Bastille, French Revolution started. You can see on 20th June, third state representatives assembled and took the tennis court oath. You can see the National Assembly pass a decree to abolish the feudal system of obligations and taxes. Now you can see here that in 1778, 5th October, the women marched to the Versailles and brought back King Louis XVI with them to the Paris. Then after we are coming to the 1791, here you can see that the National Assembly completed draft of new constitution. Then after you can see that in 1791, Revolutionary Women Olympia de Gauss Declaration of Right of Women and Citizen. Then we come to the 1792. In 1792, 21st September, 1st September, monarchy abolished and France declared as a republic. In April 1792, National Assembly voted to declare war against the Prussia and Austria. Then after you can see the 1793, where the new government that was formed. Louis XVI was executed in 1793 on 21st January. 1793 to 94 is a period of the reign of terror when the Robespierre ruled it. Now you can see 1794, Robespierre arrested and executed. All slaves in France, overseas possessions freed, but decision overturned by Napoleon 10 years later. Then you can see the 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France. 1815, Napoleon finally defeated at Waterloo. 1848, slavery finally abolished in France colonies. 1846, women in France won the right to vote. So this is the complete timeline of the French Revolution. Now we are coming to the very important part of the history of French Revolution. This is the map work. And one question that is very important, that is related to the French Revolution. You can see this map. This is the map of France. Complete map that you can see here, that is the map of Europe. So France and some of the neighboring country that I want to show you, make you show here. So in the northern part you can see that the Great Britain. In south you can see the Spain. In the eastern part you can see the Swiss, German states, boundaries of the Holy Roman Empire, and many other countries are here. You can see over here. Now, just now I want to make you know the question which is very important related to the exam also for the first term, and that is the France Revolution. On the outline map of France, you have to locate and label that the Bordeaux, Nantes, Paris and Marseille. These are the very important cities, and two of the cities that you can see over here, and that is Nantes, Bordeaux, from where the slave trades take part. This is the Paris and this is the Marseille. These four questions are very important related to the map work, and it is very important, and you can say it is very important, which will come in exam in the first term. So thank you. Next class we will meet again.